Hi, I'm Patrick Wakeman, local mortgage protection advisor based in the East Midlands. And this morning a new report from MetLife dropped into my inbox and I wanted to break it down for you. This is the 2025 Everyday Risk Report, and it really shows how MetLife's Everyday Protect and ChildShield policies can help families like yours handle unexpected moments. One thing the report made absolutely clear was that everyday accidents and illness is on the rise. Hospital admissions are up 7%, with A&E getting over 26 million visits in the last year. And falls, trips and bumps are still the main cause of injury. And meanwhile, 17.5 million working days were lost due to illness or injury. And the really scary bit is that nearly half of all UK adults still have no protection in place. And what you've got to remember is, for 4.4 million of us, yes, those that are self-employed like myself, there's no protection. There is no statutory sick pay. And even if you do get statutory sick pay, it's £118.75 a week. It's hardly going to feed the cat, let alone your family. Most families would struggle to cover their basic bills for more than a few weeks without some kind of income. And when someone winds up in hospital or a child's not well, you suddenly face lost wages, travel costs, parking, childcare, and stress. And certainly in the Hinckley, Lutterworth, Market Harborough area, we all know what a pain that can be. Trekking backwards and forwards to the Leicester Royal Infirmary or George Eliot, and trying to balance work and family around those visits. So let's look at a couple of options that might help. First of all, let's look at MetLife Everyday Protect. It's a flexible, affordable solution that covers you for real life risks. It starts from £10 a month, and you choose whether you have 1 or up to 5 units of cover. It can pay benefits if you suffer accidental injury, or after 12 months it can cover you for sickness as well. The typical benefits include between £50 and £250 per 24 hours in hospital, from £250 up to £5,000 for broken bones, and up to £250,000 for severe injuries or permanent disablement. And there's also accidental death benefits for up to £200,000. And there's optional add-ons for things like active lifestyle cover for sports injuries, and you can also put child cover under the same plan. And there's also MetLife's ChildShield as a standalone policy. It covers kids from birth to 22 years old, and it covers all the children in your family. It's simple to apply, there's no medical questions, and your policy starts immediately. And from £6 a month or £11 for the plus level, it can pay £50 to £150 per day for hospital stays, and £100 to £300 per day for ICU, £100 to £600 for broken bones or burns, and £5,000 up to £10,000 for a serious diagnosis, like cancer or meningitis. And what's really interesting is the policy also includes a 24/7 virtual GP and a family wellbeing service that includes free counselling and advice for parents and children. And that's all included in a policy that starts from just £6 a month. As a company, MetLife paid out over 108 accident and illness claims every day last year. And over 6,000 of those claims were for children. And that meant that thousands of families were able to take the time they needed to recover, without financial panic setting in immediately. Just remember that protection isn't about expecting the worst. It's about being ready for those everyday bumps in the road that can really disrupt our lives. If you'd like to find out more about any of these plans, or how they fit in with your existing mortgage and protection, then hit my link tree in the bio and get in touch. I'm Patrick Wakeman, a mortgage and protection advisor, helping local families plan for life as it really happens. See you next time.